If you grow up in certain neighborhoods, you're going to feel stress. That's just, they know that, I know it, and you know it. Now the question is not whether you're going to experience stress, and they know what stress is, it's how you're going to handle it.
As we continue to honor the legacies of Black thought leaders, MEE will share footage of Dr. White's down-to-earth wisdom and in-depth research with the broader MEE family.
Now, then we start discussing with these kids what are some different ways of handling stress. They know what they are: drinking, drugs, sex, beating somebody up. And then we say, well, now what are some constructive ways? And get them talking with us. And saying, okay, well now this therapy may help you discover within yourself some constructive ways. Because these other ways may be making the situation worse for you. Right. What are your goals? The kids have no trouble, even some of the kids in the Youth Authority, when I asked them, where would you like to be in 5 years? What would you like to be doing? Then I slide in there, what are some of the things that might get in the way of that? What are some barriers outside of you and inside of you that might get in the way of your dream? And once they begin to talk about the barriers, inside and outside, then I ask them, well, what kinds of strengths will you need? Or what do you need to overcome these barriers, whatever they might be? And that's when I slide the mental health piece in.